I've had some potluck with some of the early investments that I did. And I'm going to do the best I can to give you an inside view. And I hope you enjoy it. I have it all organized. I took a screenshot. I have a Fidelity account, and this is the top of my portfolio. So when I open up each picture, okay, I did it right. Here we go. I bought many penny stocks that I bought them at Robinhood, and they were transferred to Fidelity, and a lot of changes have been going down with Fidelity catching up with my account and companies refinancing, and all because of the pandemic, and there's a lot of things going on. This one I got lucky. Board Drilling Limited, and their 52-week range high is $9.12. I own 100 shares. I bought them at 27 cents each. Right now they're selling for, the shares are going for 54 cents, about 54 cents. And my profit is $27.20. I got lucky with that. I leave this in here for a couple of years. I'm hoping that, their high goes above $10. That'll be a nice little profit considering I spent 27 cents a share. Yes. Here's another one. Xeon Oil and Gas Inc. I own 210 shares. I bought them at 15 cents a share. Their 52-week high is 88 cents. I'm in the profit of $17.19. And right now they're going for 23 cents. Hopefully, in a couple of years, they'll be worth a few dollars each. That would be great. I took a chance. I did some research. Again, these are penny stocks I bought at Robinhood, and I transferred my entire portfolio from Robinhood to Fidelity, and I'm very glad that I did, for many reasons. We'll talk about that another time. Now this one, you're going to be, if you follow me and the gig economy, these are AT&T stocks. I believe they'll go up. Their 52-week high is $39.70. I believe with 5G and everything going down, I just have a gut feeling a year from now they're going to be worth $50+, and I'll cash out. Or maybe things will change and I think they're going to increase in value. I was driving a lot when I bought these. As you can see, I bought a couple at the early stages of the pandemic and I stopped. But I started buying these in 2019. Yep. And I was driving a lot and I was making a lot more money. This is out of my price range. However, I did it. I'm not touching them. I believe eventually someday they'll be worth over $50 each. I'll get my money back eventually. It's a solid company. They're not going anywhere. They continue to pay dividends even throughout the pandemic. It's a good backup, and I don't want to sell them until I'm in the profit. But I struggled to buy these. And then I had to stop because it's out of my league, $28.49. That's a lot per share when you're not wealthy yet. Sorry about the background noise this late at night. This one, I really do believe in the future will give me a profit. I didn't buy 86 shares of this company. They changed the name. I'm trying to stay on top of everything. They send me messages, and I've been signing into my Fidelity account every day, and I see a lot of changes going down. And some companies change their names, they refinance, some companies refinance and they do the Chapter 11 and then they start over. You know, they get their bailouts, whatever. I'm not going to touch this because I really do believe their 52-week high was $29.25. I own 86 shares. I did not buy 86 shares. A lot of the penny stocks, I had more in this company. I would buy 100 or maybe 200. Like that one with 210, I remember buying that one. The shares are going, they're claiming that the shares I bought were $1.64. Now they're worth $1.08. But their 52-week high is, you know, $29.25. I'm going to leave this until there's a profit. And I'll sell them and be very happy. I don't even remember buying this. I think they set this all up. It's from another company. Refinancing and all that. Okay, I'm getting down. We're getting down to the good ones, guys. Because it is potluck. It is potluck. The last one, oh, the second to last is the biggest. This one's another company I remember buying at Robinhood for pennies. I didn't buy 13 shares of this company at $1.49. I could go back and look at my videos and look at my work, but I do remember I bought this for pennies, and they refinanced, readjusted, whatever they needed to do. Now I own 13 shares. They're claiming my average is $1.49. The 52-week high, after it was all rearranged, is $9.81. And right now they're going for $6.70. I'm in the profit of $67.70. I'm not going to touch this for a while. I'll let it be. Hey, I'm hoping in a year or two, you know, maybe they'll be worth $20 or $30. We'll soon see. Here we go, guys. Are you ready? Little drum roll. Are you ready? This is the potluck. Yes, I did it right. DraftKings Inc. I wish I'd bought more. I bought warrants, not knowing that it was a warrant when I was really just researching, and you know, I was digging deep and I was like, what's this? What's that? I wish I understood, because most of them I bought for $2 and change, and then they went public, and I bought, I think, 2 at $19, and I said, wait a minute. What am I doing wrong here? I called up Fidelity. I said, can I buy, you know, they sent me a message saying that they will expire. I had an opportunity to buy them very low, whatever the price was, for either $4 or $5, whatever it was. Turned my average into $16.35. I own only 36 shares. I wish I bought more, but I got scared. I was learning. I didn't know what I was doing. Right now, this is the highest they've been. 62.73 was their 52-week high, and I believe this company is going to go higher. I've been following them. They're in the gaming business, the gambling, but they have apps and they have machines at casinos. I wish I'd bought more. So right now, this is worth $2,225. If I had a major emergency, I know I have something to fall back on. I sell these. And it keeps going up. Last week, it was in the 50s. Now, today, they were 61.83. This will probably go down a little bit. It goes up and down. But I think going below $50 won't happen anymore. And because of this experience, I started digging deeper. I started doing research. This was a great potluck investment. You know, guys, I got really lucky with this. I wish I had more, but hey. After doing this and learning what I learned with this, I started researching in the gambling sector. And I found one company that I was able to afford to buy some, and it's in the profit. Are you ready? DraftKings was the biggest profit, guys. This company is called 888 Holdings. I bought them for $1.94. I bought 100 shares. Their 52-week high is $3.41. I'm in the profit of $145.85, and right now they're going for $3.40. I really believe this is another gambling. When I was doing research, I realized I got really lucky with the Draft King, and I did. I got really lucky with this. Absolutely. So I did research, and I found one more company that I was able to afford at the time, and I bought 100 shares. And this was before the pandemic. So I'm really grateful about this. I look forward to, I believe this will hit the 20s and 30s in the next year or so per share. And that'd be a nice little profit, you know. A lot of little profits create a big gain, a huge gain. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to dabble in the stock market, I suggest opening up a webull account, because they are giving away free stocks if you make an initial deposit of $100 or more between those dates, but they keep extending it because they keep making it more enticing. Keep checking it out. Visit the link in the description below to webull, and after your account settles, you will be able to claim your 2 free stocks, each valued between $8 and $1,600. When I opened up my webull account, that's what I did. I spent $100. I got my stocks and all the other stocks that you see I own in here. I think I bought a couple of Ford, and all the rest I won from referring people. So visit the link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed the video. It took like an hour to put everything together and think, and you know, I thought it would be interesting. Yes, I got pot lucky, and I'm not touching those stocks for a very long time if I can. I believe they're going to be worth hundreds of dollars someday. Have a good one, everyone. Visit the links in the description below. Bye.